welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a full face using all of Milani products. If you've never heard of Milani, it is a drugstore brand. It is one of my favorite drugstore brands. It is probably the only brand that I have enough of every product to do a full face. Like, I love their stuff that much. Their products are so freaking pretty. They come in this super cute gold packaging. It looks luxurious. It looks like a fancy product. It looks like it's worth money to me. That's what caught my eye. I love the packaging. Everything is so damn pretty. It looks fancy. So it's gonna be a little bit of a first impressions because I have a bunch of new products that I have not used from them, and then I'm also using a bunch of products that I already love from them. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products were and which ones were, then keep on watching. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my lips, and this is Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub, and start by putting just a little bit of that on my lips. So this almost tastes like there's feels like there's little grains of sugar in it, and that's just going to scrub all that dry skin to make the lips nice and soft. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe off anything extra. Just lick it off. And then I'm going to go in with the Milani Keep It Smooth Luxe Lip Treatment. Excuse my nail here. My dog got overly excited to see me, and when I tried to hold him down, my nail snapped. Thanks, Pep. Looks so ugly. But this is the Milani Instant Touch Up Blur Stick. Let's see what this is about. We'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the T-zone and on my forehead line that I get right there. You know, I'm just gonna go everywhere with this thing. So it has a little bit of a silicone feel. Let's see. I don't know if it's blurring my skin. A little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Make It Last setting spray. This is a setting spray, but you can also use it to hydrate your face. So I use it throughout my whole makeup process, a little before and a little bit after. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This foundation does oxidize, so if you're debating between colors, get the lighter one. There's that pimple. Alright, let's go ahead and get the beauty blender and work that in. So this foundation does have a really nice finish. It's not too matte. It's not too dewy, but I've worn it before and I do feel like my face gets really oily. I don't know if that primer did anything. You know, actually on screen it looks good, but in person I can still see those pores and that line. I'm gonna use the Milani obviously everything here is Milani, so I could probably stop saying the Milani everything. This is the Touch Erase Concealer. It's got a cool little sponge applicator. So we're gonna lighten underneath the eyes and highlight a little bit. The nose, you know, the spots. This is a very light coverage concealer, so if you have really crazy bags, I don't think it's gonna do a lot, but just to lighten up a little bit, it's nice. I've used this before, I use it quite often. Alright, now I have something new. This is the Milani Make It Last Translucent Powder. Obviously, this is brand new. So I've never used their translucent powder. I'm super excited. Let's see what it looks like. Turn the dial for desired amount, huh? Damn packaging. Drugstore packaging. And I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender. Those places that get oily or that separate through the day. I feel like it's leaving a little white cast right there. I'm going to use the contour and highlight stick. This is in the shade Light because I One side of this is a nice cool toned highlighting stick. Oh, my stick just fell out. What the fuck? There's my contour stick. So hopefully it doesn't fall again. Go. So the color actually looks very nice. It's a nice cool tone color. I just like using like a foundation brush. This is a like flat one. I feel like it works really well for blending out contour. It's blending out nicely. That's actually pretty nice. Very nice. Kind of messed up by putting that powder there, because going in with the cream over that powder, it's starting to look all cakey. No bueno. Let's try out this liquid highlighter. We'll dot that there. And dot it there. So that's just like a really nice, light, natural looking highlight. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my powder brush and a little bit more of that translucent powder and set the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and take my bronzer, which is scratched off because I had this one for a minute. And this is the baked bronzer in the color Soleil. Soleil, 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 Soleil. There we go. Okay, so that's really orange, so maybe go in a little bit lighter than I just did. That color was too orange. Yeah, I wanted to get the lighter one and they did not have it when I went to the store. I'm gonna use the powder brush to blend that down. Let's go ahead and do the eyebrows and eyes, and then we'll go back and finish up the face. This is the Milani, duh, it's Milani Stay Put brow pomade pencil. Honestly, I feel like this backdrop is draining my color. Let's zoom in and get those brows on. So I'm gonna start off by using the spoolie to just comb my brows. And I do feel like this has a little bit of like a waxy texture to it, so it kind of helps hold hairs in place. I actually really do like this pencil. Now using the Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel in medium, and then just comb the brows in place. I like the tinted brow fiber gel because it makes my eyebrows look fuller. Gives them hairs some life. I actually do really like the brow pencil. The only thing I don't care for is having to constantly sharpen pencil. I kind of like the retractable ones, but my face is so orange, it's bothering me. I'm gonna put some powder foundation and try to tone that down. So I just picked this up. I've never used their powder foundation. I got the color Shell. I hope it matches. Tone down some of that orange. There we go. A little better. That powder looks nice. I think this will actually be a perfect powder to throw in my makeup bag to carry with me to touch up throughout the day. So, and I do love the packaging. So pretty. Doesn't it just look fancy and bougie? Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into the eyes. And I picked up the Milani Most Love Mattes palette. This is my first palette from Milani. They have a few smaller ones which I've never tried. They came out with two, Bold Obsessions, and the matte one is the only one that I could find at the store that I went to, so that's the one I'm going to use. Super pretty. I'm going to zoom you in again so we can do the eyes. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to do right now, so bear with me. So I'm going to actually try to use these ones down the middle here. It's a really nice palette. I hope it works good. Color selection on there is perfect. Picking up the color right underneath. Going back back in with the first brush. I'm just gonna blend it out to make sure there's no harsh lines. I think it's going on very nicely. I actually like really set this up so that they're in sections of what you can use, so they made that easy for me. And going further down into that purple. I'm gonna go grab that light color again and blend. Blend, 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 blend. I didn't even use the dark one. I want to use it. I want to use them all. Go over just on the corner. I'm gonna take that across the bottom a little bit. Same one, that last dark color. Really hope this doesn't make my eyes water all night. I have super sensitive eyes, and whenever I put eyeshadows or colors on the bottom, my eyes tend to water for like the rest of the day. Then my nose starts running. It's so annoying. I hope I didn't mess up by doing this. So this is one of the newest things they released, and this is the Hypnotic Light. It's a holographic eye topper, and this is the color Luminous Light. It's like a, oh, it's so pretty. It's got little glitters, and it's holographic. Little bits of pinks and purples, which is why I went with the purple eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a couple layers and see how I want this to look super glittery. And then I'm gonna go back in with, gonna make that crease color pop out again. Back at the blending. It's pretty. It's getting a little messy in there, a little chunky. I'm gonna try a new liquid liner. So this is the Eye Tech Extreme. It's a felt tip. I'm hoping it's like the Kat Von D Trooper, because that's one of my favorites. Not going on very dark over this glitter. Honestly, I don't know if this glitter has anything to do with it, but it is not coming out very black. It's not giving me the pigment that I was hoping for. So let's go ahead and put on some mascara. This is the Big and Bigger Lashes. So this one is supposed to give volume. Interesting. It's not clumpy, so that's nice. Of course I gotta sneeze right after I do my mascara. Okay, so the blush I want to use, since I'm kind of doing like purples and pinks, I'm gonna use Rosa Romantica. It's very iridescent, shimmery, could probably almost be used as a highlight. For a highlighter, I'm gonna use the Milani Strobe Light. That's very pretty, but it also brought out a lot of texture on my face. I don't know. It's cool from a distance. This is the Amore Matte Lip Cream in the color Precious. I do love the liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this look with a little bit more of my setting spray. This completes my full face Milani makeup look. What do you think? Alright guys, so thanks for watching my video. Let me know what products you liked, which ones you use, which ones you want to try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye!